few minutes, we will fix the most common English speaking mistakes. So in this video, we will know common English mistakes. So welcome back to my channel Upgrade English Pro. So let's begin. Number one, he is working as a teacher for 5 years. So let's find out the mistakes in the sentence. In this sentence, using of 5 years or the sentence talks, action started in past, it still continue. So let's find out the mistake. Here, using of is working is wrong because action started in past but it still continue. So instead of is working, it should be has been or the tense should be present perfect continuous tense. Let's understand more. English does not use present continuous for long duration from past. We use present perfect continuous tense. So structure is subject plus has have been plus verb ing plus time. So the correct sentence is he has been working as a teacher for 5 years. So number two sentence. C explained about the rule. This is wrong. C explained the rule. This is right. So let's find out the mistake. Here, using of about is wrong. So let's find out the reason. The verb explain already means to make something clear by giving details about it. So the meaning of about is already inside verb explain. So adding about is a double meaning. Redundant word just like return back, repeat again. So English avoids repeating the same meaning twice. So the correct sentence structure is explain plus object plus to someone. So let's understand by examples. C explained the rule to me. Can you explain this problem to me? Number 3. He is having lots of works. So let's find out the mistakes. Here, using of is having is wrong because when you are owning or containing something, it should be have. So we normally do not use ing with it. So let's understand by example. He is having a car. She is having a brother. So the correct answer is he has a car. She has a brother. So use has have, not is having. Unless temporary experience. I am having lunch. Let's come to second mistake. Works. Work is usually an uncountable noun in English. So we do not make it plural. So instead of works, it should be works. So correct structure is subject plus has have plus a lot of plus uncountable noun. So correct sentence is he has a lot of work. Number 4. He is suffering by cold. So let's find out the reason. He is suffering by cold. Here, using of by is wrong because the word suffer always uses preposition from, not by. So let's understand more. When we are talking about illness, problem, always use suffer from, like suffer from fever, suffer from pain. Never use suffer by. So let's find out next mistake. Here using only cold is wrong. Cold here means an illness, it's a countable noun. So it needs an article. So instead of suffering from cold, it should be suffering from a cold. So the correct sentence is he is suffering from a cold. Number 5. He is married with her. So he is married with her. In this sentence, using of with is wrong. In English, some adjective always use take a specific preposition. Married always uses to, never with. So, using of married with is wrong. So, the correct pattern is married to plus person. So, she is married to a doctor. He is married to my cousin. So, let's understand more. Relationship between two people always use to, like married to, engaged to. Correct sentence is he is married to her. So mistake number 7. She was died in accident. So let's find out the mistake. Using of was died is wrong. So let's find out the reason. Using of was died is wrong because die is an intransitive verb. That means it does not take an object, so it cannot be used in passive voice. So passive voice needs an object. So let's understand by example. Someone hit her, she was hit, but nobody dies someone, so passive is impossible. So was died is wrong, died is right. Now let's find out the next mistake. Using of only accident is wrong because accident is a countable noun, so it needs an article. In accident is wrong, in an accident is right. So correct sentence, she died in an accident. Now mistake number 8 is having less money. So let's find out the mistake. Using of is having is wrong. So let's find out the reason. The verb have is usually a state verb when it shows possession. So state verbs normally do not use ing form. So we say he is having money, she is having a car. So the correct one is he has money, she has a car. So use has have, not is having. So when we talking about possession, he is having less money. Using of less money is wrong because less money means smaller amount compared to something. Little money means almost no money. So your sentence describes financial condition, not comparison. So the correct sentence is he has little money. So the correct structure is subject plus has have plus little plus uncountable noun. So let's understand by example. She has little money, I have little patience. So when we use less money only when comparing two things. So let's understand by example. He has less money than me, this job pays less money. So easy trick to remember is when we are talking about no comparison, always use little. When we are talking about comparison, always use less. So now mistake number 9. Number 4. He is not interested to play. Let's find out the mistake. Using of to play is wrong. So let's find out the reason why it is wrong. Using of to play is wrong because the adjective interested always follows this pattern. Interested plus in plus noun plus verb plus ing. So the correct structure is interested in plus playing. So let's understand by example. Interested in music, interested in sports are right, but interested to play, interested to learn are wrong. So here using a play is wrong. Let's find out the reason. The reason is when we are talking about preposition, after a preposition use verb plus ing. In this sentence the preposition is in. Example is good at speaking English. In So the correct sentence is he is not interested in playing. So mistake number 10. She has completed her study. Let's find out the mistake. Here using of only study is wrong because study means the act of studying or a research work. When we talk about education or academic learning, English uses the plural form studies. So completed her study is wrong, completed her studies is right. So when we do education finished, use studies. For research and activity, use study. So the correct sentence is she has completed her study. Mistake number 11. I will reach there by tomorrow. So let's find out the mistake. Here using of by tomorrow is wrong. So let's understand the reason. Using of by tomorrow is wrong because by tomorrow means before or no later than tomorrow. So it sounds like a time limit, not a specific plan. So the simple rule is when we are talking about exact day, use tomorrow. When we are talking about deadline, use by tomorrow. So let's understand more by examples. I will finish this work tomorrow. It is talking about exact time. I will finish this work by tomorrow. It is talking about deadline. I will call you tomorrow. Again, it is talking about exact time. I will call you by tomorrow. It is talking about deadline. So the exact trick is use tomorrow when you are talking about exact time. Use by tomorrow when we are talking about deadline. So the correct sentence is I will reach there tomorrow. Mistake number 12. Number 2. She is wearing a specs. So let's find out the mistake. Here using a specs is wrong. So let's understand the reason. A specs is wrong because specs and glasses are always plural nouns, so we do not use a. So a specs is wrong. Glasses and spectacles are right because both are plural noun. So simple rule is that if something has two parts, eyes, scissors, glasses, always use plural. So examples are he bought a scissors, it is wrong. He bought scissors. I need a glasses is wrong. I need glasses. So correct sentence is she is wearing specs. Mistake number 13. I have completed graduation. So let's find out the mistake. In this sentence, using only graduation is wrong. So let's understand the reason. Using only graduation is wrong because graduation needs a possessive like my, yours, his, because it refers to your degree. So completed graduation is wrong, completed my graduation is right. So the simple rule is use my plus noun when we are talking about our own achievement, like my degree, my studies, my course. So examples are I completed course is wrong. I completed my course. I finished training is wrong. I finished my training. So the correct sentence is I have completed my graduation. Mistake number 14. I am thinking to buy a car. Let's find out the mistake. Here in this sentence, thinking to buy is wrong. So let's understand the reason. The reason is The verb think does not follow to plus verb in this meaning. So always use ing with verb when we are talking about think of or about. So thinking to buy is wrong, thinking of buy is right. So the correct structure is think of or about, always use ing with verb. So I am thinking of buying a car. She is thinking about changing her job. So difference in meaning, thinking of buy when we are talking about idea, planning to buy when we are more serious and decided. So the easy trick is, in the case of think, use of about ing with verb. In the case of planning, use to plus verb. So the correct sentence is I am thinking of buying a car. Number Mistake number 15. I will message to you. So let's find out the mistake. Here using of to is wrong. So let's understand the reason. Using of to is wrong because the verb message is a transitive verb, which means it directly takes an object. So we must say message you, call you, text you, not message to you, call to you. So the easy trick is, if verb is direct communication like call, message and text, no to. So the correct sentence is I will message you. Start correcting these sentences from today. You will notice an immediate change in your speaking. So comment below which mistakes do you use most. I will fix it in the next video. So please like, follow and subscribe this channel. Thank you.